welcome to my video, and today we're going to talk about, we're going to go into a kajiu university. First up is mother waffles. I haven't tried her that much, but pretty strong. Now what's up next is a skull crawler. And this is the reason why mother longlegs is in B instead of C. This guy is weak. I have maxed him, and I can say that it is pain. Well, almost. Maybe a level 80, but it is pain. So, Shin Godzilla, however, is very strong. Just put him in the middle of Tokyo, and then he does all of his beams, and then that will give you thousands of these cells. So that's why he's an OP, because he is. Now, Mechagodzilla 1. Mechagodzilla 1. Yeah. Both. Consider both. People use this guy as a lot of sky campers. So I'm going to put him in B. I would put him in A, but he's a sky camper. But people like to sky camp with this guy a lot, so no. Burning, I'm going to get him soon if I get enough Robux. But yeah, this guy is very strong. If you just do it, however, I do not recommend doing the meltdown. Only do it when you as a reset for yourself, or it does do a lot of damage to the other kaiju, but it also hurts you. So, oh wait, no, I don't want it. So he's going to be an OP. Tomatodonts. I wasn't here during Christmas, because I went to my grandma's house. However, I have seen some players, and I mean some. I've only seen 2 people with it, and I'd say that it's pretty strong. So I'm putting very strong. Jet Jaguar. Not many people use it, but when he was released, he was OP. People teamed on me when I was guest for thousands. Well, only a few hours. But until I called a mod, those guys were super annoying. Now Heisei. The remodel really did mess up Heisei a lot. Yeah, but now Spiral Breath is now you have to have some simple. So you couldn't just spam Spiral Breath like some people did. That's how I got to level 50, and until one of my friends said, don't spam Spiral. And however, that is good and kind of bad. Without that, if that remodel was before I got death, well, I got Heisei level 50. I wouldn't get 50, so that I would put him OP, but Kiryu, I didn't get that guy because I just couldn't get a Gojira to level 50. But what I've seen is pretty strong. Now Turkey, yeah, I rarely ever use him, and I rarely ever see anybody use him. So yeah. B. Godzilla Jr. I hate this kaiju. And not me hate, I don't want it to be in the game. But I hated getting that thing to max. Without how I saw at first you just only needed to get 1 out of the 3 requirements it costed, but no. So then I had to do Heisei and then Godzilla Jr. And it was pain. Took me about at least 2 or 5 months to get that thing to max. And I tried it when it was level 20, and it got destroyed by level 2 Gojira, so pretty weak. Mothra. I hate this guy. People sky camp with him a lot and very Destroyer. We all know that. The only thing that can counter it is either Mog or low Mechagodzilla because you just can't catch him. And now you may be thinking, but Thermo could kill him, or Vanilla could kill him, but those guys can't fly. So you can just stay flying until they walk away. So yeah, S tier. Titanus Motheri. I one time saw a Max Titanus Mothera. I still got it. I still destroyed it with a Heisei Ghidorah. Yeah, very weak. Behemoth. I really like this guy. I would normally put him in C, but I see a lot of these guys max and they're OP, so very strong. And now Mecha King Ghidorah. I'll put it as very strong. I'll just do that for save it for Heisei. MV Monster Zero, pretty strong. Titanosaurus is very strong. And no, I meant barely. I got him to max, but the only way I did that is by using that kick and that bite, and then finishing it off with like a sonar beam. But yeah, go back. We're going back to Monster Zero. That remodel is gonna mess up my plans. I'm trying to get what's his name? Mechagodzilla 2021. But if that comes, then I'll have to get this. Wait, no, where did it go? This dude to level 50, and this dude to level 50. And I've been told that the remodel will buff it to 25. So yeah, might mess up my plans. And now Frostbite Godzilla. I would put it in very strong because of the remodel. It looks like that actually it really need the remodel. So I'm also gonna put Titanus Godzilla 2019 in that as well. Sorry, I got a cough. I'm sick. Zombie Gigan. It's only really useful. Yeah, a lot of people want to zombie him. Want to get zombied by him. The zombie actually does a nerf than a buff. So, ever you might want to look cool, it will help you very much. And also, it can't fly, so I'll put in good instead. I'll put Gigan in. Yeah, Gigan can actually maybe kill this. It's the same side that Mechagodzilla 21. If he just spam slice and eye laser, then he could actually kill him. It has to be a high level though, of course. Here is no, I'll keep it. Mechagodzilla 21. OP. Oh no, I meant to put it down there. The reason I'm not in S tier is because people mostly team on this guy. I've seen because my friend has told me about it. So yeah, it's in OP. It's in S. Volcanic Biolon. Same thing as it gets teamed on a lot. And plus with the so you probably just bought it to look cool and stuff like that. But other than that, it's pretty useless. Dog is sitting on the floor. There we go. But anyway, back to the video. Biolante, same thing, but just minus the game, the money. So, Tomato-kun, if you get it max, it's actually God. But anyway, Thermal, OP. The reason it's not in best is because people sky camp on this guy. Depending on who you're fighting. If you're fighting against a guy with wings, then S tier for you. But if you're fighting a guy without wings, then S plus. Because then he can't fly and run away. However, he can run away. The only person who can really do that is Baby Mothra. But nobody plays as that guy, so yeah. Final. That guy is a spamming god. He's right under. However, he's not. The only thing that can spam more than this guy is Scylla. I'll get to him in a moment. Magara OPS plus. He's one of the only kaiju that can actually kill this. A max one. However, I feel like that I have a bad feeling about Magara. Here's how. He's probably gonna get greatly debuffed. Yeah, nerfed. Greatly nerfed. Because in the movie, he easily gets destroyed by a space console. Just one hit from his crystals, and he started falling down, and pretty much crashed. So I expect him to get a big nerf soon. That's why I haven't. Or a remodel. That's why I haven't been trying to max him. Now to Gigan. Wait, go back. Let's just go back to Margaret for a second. However, I don't know if this has happened because I've been playing Roblox in a long time. I've been starting to upload Roblox in these following months. But my friends told me that Margaret got buffed for some reason. I don't know if it was buffed, but Gigan, OP. You can sky camp with that guy. You can. So this just happened today. There was a Gigan flying up high and with a sky camp. So much. I was being a skull crawler, by the way. So much that I tried to walk away. But then a final came along and killed me. So yeah. Not only is that sky camping, now actually probably teaming. Because I heard him say, hey, come over here. So yeah, they're definitely teaming. Anyways, back to the video. He's pretty much better because people like him more. Maybe because cooler design. So it's him B. So most people don't target him as much as Skull. Sorry, cough. Titanus Rodan, nobody uses him and he really needs a remodel. Titanus Rodan. I mean, no, Heisei Rodan. Why are you putting that thing in S plus? Now you may be saying, why are you putting that thing in S plus? But Mechagodzilla 2021 isn't S. So, a few weeks ago, the Rodan remodel was released. People went crazy. People teamed. I saw 50 Heisei Rodan per server. So, yeah, it's very overpowered. But if it's not teaming, then put it in all the way to C because I've destroyed one without its team with the Skullcrawler, so yeah. Showa is pretty good. I never really used it. But he is the son of Manila. He's absolute god. So Batra is very weak. I haven't seen one person who hasn't maxed it. I have seen some people, one person that almost got it maxed. Almost. It's at 85 level. Because that was like yesterday. Yeah. So that thing is OP. So yeah. Wait, no, it's not OP. It's weak. Weak. Very weak. Muto, female Muto, B, male Muto, C. Now you may be thinking, why is female Muto more have a higher level than male Muto? I've seen more people have maxed him and he's more powerful than male Muto. But I'm just gonna tell you, fun fact. I have male Muto maxed. Yeah. Yes, I have that little guy you see maxed. You're wondering how I got it maxed? A year ago, we did a raid. Now, there was this big team of Mutos, and we raided Tokyo. Sorry, but we destroyed even some kaijus in S tier. Like some people brought out their maximum gears and some people brought out their nests. We destroyed them. I even got 2 kills. I still remember those 2 kills to this day. I forgot people's names. Yeah. So that's why I got that thing maxed. Now it's all absolute god, and I use it to kill teamers. And then they get salty. That's why I don't use very OP kaiju. Instead I use weak kaiju that I'm maxed. The only guy that I've maxed is that guy. And yeah, no one else. Only that guy. I'm close to getting that guy to max though. He's pretty weak. Gazora, see, nobody uses him either. I've only seen 2 people max. That's more than I've seen anybody Batra that is maxed. But yeah, it's basically weak. The only kill I've got with that guy was just a Heisei Godzilla. I still remember that, and I'm proud of it. For getting 1 kill as Gazora. Because I never really used him, because who uses Gazora? Yeah. And I didn't even get the kill. It was actually someone else's kill. But then I killed him in the water. He got in the water and tried to escape. This guy, it's B. Why didn't C, you may ask? Spam it. That's the only way you can actually max that thing. Other than the hard way. But who does it the hard way? So basically, you use spam bloods. blood breath or whatever. Blood whatever. And yeah, you basically got that thing maxed. That's why it's in B. Kumungus. Wait, where did he go? Where did Kumunga go? I think okay, that'll be, I do really need some help. Huh, whatever, okay. But if I did have that Kumungus again, I'll put it in, on B tier. Manila. Let me just do something real quick. Never mind. Megaris B. But here, wait, no. Before I do that, let me tell you about Manila. I was about to make a. Actually, no. Can I? Wait, how do I make another? Yeah, let me just make it. God. There. You know why? Vanilla. Why is it God? You can get to level 200 and actually, yeah. I was about to put an S because it's limited. Yeah, I think I know the reason why it's limited. Nobody even knows why they got vanilla to level, why you could give it, let it to level 20. 200! Yeah, very strong. Megaris B and Geras C. The reason that I haven't talked about Mega Geras is because I have no stories about it because nobody played. Or, yeah, sad. Poor Mega Geras. Nobody uses it. And Geras, I got that guy almost matched. No, he's actually only level 27. But yeah, he was a guy I mainly used when I was a little starter weakling. He was a good guy. I now almost have all kaiju. So I recommend if you're starting that guy. Sila, God as well. Actually, why don't I put Destiny God? The three gods. Now the reason I put Sila and God is because spamming, 2 skill points. Let me just do something. Let me just tell you a story. I got that thing maxed in more than an hour. Actually, less than an hour. Only 5 minutes. I got that guy maxed. You know why? Skill points. I maxed out that guy's attack, and it was a god. It destroyed everyone. People were actually calling me a tryhard because it was literally God. But yeah, so yeah. Yeah, Philo is OP. Also, I'll put in C, but speed is literally a speed god. If you kill it, then you're faster than Usain Bolt. So, yeah. Turtle. B. C. C. I'm getting my thing mixed up. So, really, turtle is in C because it's pretty weak. Its only good use is to heal. But its only real unique thing it has is a heal. Behemoth stole that unique thing though. So yeah, kind of stole. Amanda, I would put it in S, but yeah, I almost got that guy maxed. But no, I actually don't have that guy maxed. I don't even have him above level 50. But yeah, the reason I wouldn't put him in S is because well, the reason I put him in A, I would put him in S, but in A. It's kind of a mix. If it's under level 50, then B. If it's over level 50, then A. You know what? If you get enough skill points and max that thing out with in its speed, it will be unstoppable. You know how? Okay, go in, you know, that mode. I forgot what it's called. And then just move your camera all around. I've tried that once, and guess what happened? I spun around. So basically, I was acting like a helicopter propeller or whatever those things are on top of helicopter. I forgot what they're called. Yeah, that's what Manda turned into. And he started getting the power to fly. Yeah. I actually went so far up that I hit onto the Tokyo Bridge. And I was all the way on the other side. Yeah, pretty cool. Meh. Who? If you got max that guy out, do you even have a life? That would be pain. And if you have a job or school, then yeah, do you have a life? Questioning that if you have that guy maxed. Because how do you do that plus work? You're either a god or have no life. So yeah. Yeah, I'll put it in S. The reason I put it in OP is because it can spam. Not as good as Sela or Final Wars, but pretty good. And also, if you max out its attack, it's pretty strong. Monkey, good. Now you may be thinking, how is a ape in B, but Camacarus in S? That thing is basically the little brother of Sela. It is OP. It destroys everything. Basically, Sela with wings. Now you may be thinking, well, if it's Sela with wings, why isn't it God tier? Well, when you fly or swim, you can't attack. Can't do any attacks. You just swim or fly. So flying either just a getaway or I don't know what you do fly for. And yeah, so and also swim. You're all same thing. Millennium. I don't know. Yeah, very strong. Why not B? A, B. Why does it go A, B, C, S? I never thought about that. Just realized today. Hey, what I was doing? Oh, I have horrible memory. Yeah, Melody. B. That's the only easy thing. That's the only thing I actually did on the Kiryu thing, other than the details, but Kiryu pretty cheap. But I did do Gojira because that thing is weak. So yeah. Yeah, but it's breath takes a really long time to charge. I would put it in A if it had faster breath, and was bigger if it was because it's so small. It's as small as Gojira. Like, bruh. G21 best. Why do I put it in best? It's OP. Why is it OP? Rest. And also, its charge has 20 more. Is now 120, while the rest of the kaiju are just 100. That's what makes it so OP. And that's also what makes it so unique. I just forgot, where is Titanic Kong? This is outdated. This is outdated tier list. Probably is. Cause that, I think, is no, that is a new Heisei model. That appeared right after. And then Kong appeared a few days after. Did it? Yeah, it did. What? How? But yeah, so that's the Kaiju Universe tier list. Hope you like this video, guys, and sorry that if you heard some coughing in the middle of the video. No, it's because I'm sick. Yeah, it wasn't a very good idea to record while I'm sick. But yeah. Now, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.